turbo. Mark, I never really. Yes, but we're like, never really. I'm afraid.
Welcome back to Completely Irrelevant. You may be asking why I'm in my kitchen with about 39% of my Lego collection and an air compressor hose. Well, I'll tell you, it's almost time for spring cleaning and my Legos are dusty. So, I found a really good solution for all those Lego fans out there. Instead of using any dusters or anything lame like dusters, what you need is an air compressor hose. Dial back the notch to like 15 pounds of pressure on the regulator so that when you blow off your Legos, it'll be real easy. You just be real careful. Also, you're going to need maybe a tiny little nylon bristle brush and a few Q-tips and maybe a paper towel. That's it. Clean your Legos. They'll be so much more happy. And when you play with your Legos, you'll be really excited because there won't be any dust on them. So what you do is these aren't actually too dusty. They've been in a case, so they're relatively clean. What you'll do is just you'll pick up, your parrot Lego or, whatever Lego you may have, and you just get real close and you give it short bursts. Now, this is going to make or break your Lego cleaning experience. If you just blow around, yeah, that's great. It's going to a little bit of dust, whatever. It's going to be great. But if you give it a short burst, just like, but real concentrated. Even if you get real in there, like right around, the little intricate pieces, you just give it a short burst, it's actually going to get all that dust pretty much completely gone. I would say like 85, 90% dust-free on your Legos. For the remaining dust that you're just not happy about after you've already given it a little, you're just going to go ahead and take your bristle, or maybe even a Q-tip, one or the other. Just go ahead and just give it a little brush. If you think that your bristle is a little bit too stiff or, a little bit scratchy, you might say, then don't use it. Just use your Q-tip. It's going to be a lot better. Give it a little bit of, this and that, here and there. They'll be a lot happier. So you'll go ahead and put your parrot down now, wherever you can. Then go ahead and grab your monkey with banana. Wait for your air compressor to stop compressing. And there you go. It's all good. So go ahead and just clean your Legos as least often as possible because it's not that fun. And especially if you have a bunch of Legos like this or whatever, you don't want to clean them all the time. So make sure you do it right with an air compressor. Here with pro tips on Completely Irrelevant. Thanks for stopping by. Also, you want to make sure that you grab your Mystery Machine van out of your castle and place it on the outside because it doesn't belong in the castle. Make sure before you even set it down, give it a little burst. You want to make sure Fred's happy. You want to make sure Scooby's happy. You want to make sure Shaggy's happy. You want to blow them hard. That's what you want to do. You just want to give them a little blow. Listen to those wheels purr. If you want to get all the dust remaining after you've cleaned every single piece, just give it a little bit of this.
Remember, in the vastness of space, this is Completely Irrelevant.
Come to CompletelyIrrelevant.com for more family-friendly fun and adventures and other projects and cool stuff.
Make sure to like and comment below if you like what you see. If you want to see more Lego stuff or more stuff here in the music studio for Completely Irrelevant, let us know. And make sure to subscribe. It's really, really important.